Buy Now has the ability for you to bulk edit your materials within your stock catalog. Let's go ahead and take a look at that inside of the stock location. If you click on stock and open up a location, in the upper right-hand corner, there are additional options under the three dots. When you click this, there's a new option for bulk editing materials. And when you click this, you'll be entered into the bulk editing mode. This allows you to have complete control over all of your materials within your stock location or your catalog in one single place without having to open up every single item and making material adjustments within each item. To enable each attribute, you just click on the cell and it will give you an option of editing and saving. You'll be able to set the mins, the maxes, the replenishment, bullion, the cost for business, cost of the customer, editing the position, and the barcode. You'll even be able to filter and drill down to specific materials as well. If you need to change locations, you'll be able to change locations up in the left-hand corner next to the bulk edit mode title to allow you easy access to edit items across multiple locations. Inside of the catalog, you'll also be able to edit materials and have more control over all of the attributes for those materials. Let us know if you have any questions with bulk edit mode.